Hey sis, I'm back with a whole nother video. If you guys want to see how I got this look, stay tuned.
City girls from the 305. Ghetto booty, pretty face, thick thighs. Period. Y'all bitches know we lie. Pimp a nigga head straight to Ocean Drive. Period.
We're gonna go into this Box of Crayons palette. The first shade we're gonna use from this palette is the yellow. Take my Morphe 35OM palette and I'm gonna use this shade right here. So for the next shade, I'm going to use that same Morphe palette and I'm just going to go into a deeper orange just to darken it up some. So I just went back into that yellow just to blend it out a little bit. So to cut my crease, I'm just going to use the LA Pro concealer. Y'all know I use that same concealer every time. And I'm going to use it in the shade Porcelain this time. Face with this primer from CHEK. To set that concealer, I'm gonna use my Eyeshadow neutral setting powder. So I'm gonna go back into that Morphe palette and use this dark shade here. I'm gonna go into this white shade right here. Does a candy corn have black in it? I don't think so. I might have to put y'all on hold so I can look for a second. I hope this is giving y'all candy corn vibes. So I'm just gonna use this coconut oil. put on my face before I put this foundation on. Y'all probably wondering like, what is she doing? But I'm gonna use this new foundation, the Cake Mix, and it's really matte, so sometimes, and it dries really quick, so I learned that when I put like a nice little oil on my face before I put it on, it goes on smoothly and I have more time to blend it out rather than when I just put nothing. So I'm gonna use a brush to blend this out. For my concealer, I'm gonna use my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Gonna take my extra large beauty blender. I'm gonna take my extra large beauty blender to blend that out. For contour, I'm gonna go in with my Morphe palette. You know, I'm gonna bake with my banana powder. Especially when you wear makeup, you need to be making sure that you're drinking water and you're keeping your skin clean and clear. So I'm just gonna go back into that Morphe palette and I'm gonna use these shades here. And I'm just gonna put that under my waterline. To highlight, I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. So off camera, I lined my lips with a brown lip liner and I used Ginger Snap from NYX. I haven't set my face yet, but I'm gonna use this setting spray from the beauty supply. Be sure to turn on your notification buttons. I cannot stress this. Every video, I need you guys to turn on their notification buttons. You need to know when I post my videos. I got so much heat coming and I need y'all to turn those notification buttons on so you can know when I'm posting. You need to know when I'm posting. Hello. I just want to thank you guys for watching this video with me, doing this video with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it.